Lesson 7, Our Green Friends. In this video, you will learn about plants and their parts, types of plants, and identifying plants around us. You can see so many plants around you. Some plants are small and some plants are big. All the plants are different by their own way. As we know already, the plants are living things like us. They need food, air, and water to live. Do the plants also have body parts like us? Yes, plants also have different body parts like us. But these parts are different from the body parts of animals, birds and human being. Means the plants have different body parts. Parts of plants. Plants has many parts like roots, stems, leaves, fruits and flowers. These are different parts of a plant. Let's observe all these parts in a picture. Yes, this part is called as fruit and yellow colored part of this plant is called as flower and this green colored part is called as leaf and this is known as stem and this is called as root. Like this, the different parts are present in a plant. Next, the roots are usually present below the ground. Below the ground means the roots are present inside the soil. And the next part, stem. The stem grows above the ground. Above the ground means above the soil. All the plants are not alike. All the plants are different in nature. They have different shapes and different sizes. Their leaves, stems and fruits may also look different. Let's learn all these parts of the plant in detail. First, leaf. Leaf is usually green in color. The leaf is usually green in color and leaf makes food for the plant. That's why the leaf is also called as kitchen of the plant. By using the light, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, the leaves prepare the food for the plant by the process called as photosynthesis. Like this, the leaf is very important part of the plant. Next, roots. The roots fixes the plant to the ground. The root hold the plant firmly inside the soil and the root absorb the water for the plant from the ground. Yes, here you can observe the roots absorb the water from the soil. A plant has many roots. Next, stem. It can be hard or it can be soft. The stem is depending upon what type of plant is. The stem is hard in trees and stem is very soft in herbs. Like this, it can be hard or soft in nature. Stem takes the food and water to all the part of the plant. Means when the root absorb the water, the absorbed water enters into the stem. Afterwards, stem takes the water to all the parts of the plant. And also food. When the food is prepared by the leaf, the food reaches the stem. Then the stem takes the food to all the parts of the plant. Like this, the stem is very important part in the plant. Next, Flowers. Flower is many colors and many types. There are different flowers are present with different colors. Next, fruits. There are different kinds of fruits. Fruits contain seeds. Next, seeds. Seeds present inside the fruit. Inside the fruit, we can observe seeds. Some fruits contain only one seed and some fruits contain many seeds. Like these, number of seeds are vary from one fruit to another fruit. Next, types of plant. Our earth consists of varieties of plants. Some plants are small and some plants are big. Like that, the varieties of plants are present on the earth. Let us learn what are the different types of plants are present on the earth. First, big plants. Some plants are big. These big plants are called as trees. Trees means big plants. The big plants are also called as trees. These trees have thick and broad stem. They usually live for many years. These trees usually live for many years. For example, people, banyan and coconut. These are example for big plants or trees. Next, small plants. Small plants are of two types, shrubs and herbs. First, shrubs. Some small plants have woody stem. The small plants which have woody stem are called shrubs. Example, rose plant, tulsi plant and hibiscus plant. These are example for the shrubs. Next, herbs. Some plants are small and have weak stem. These plants are called as herbs. Herbs are example for the small plant and these herbs have small and weak stem. Example, grass, basil, mint and wheat. These are example for the herbs. Yes, the stem of tree is stronger than stem of shrub and the stem of shrub is stronger than stem of herbs. Like this, the stems also different in different types of plants. Next, plants that need support and special plants. Plants that need support are of two types, climbers and creepers. The climbers and creepers are of two types of plants and these plants need support for growing. First, climber. Some plants with weak stem cannot stand straight. They need support from other things or plants that grow upward. These plants are called climbers. In this picture, you can observe this plant. This plant has weak stem and it needs support from the other things like stick or plants for growing. These plants are called as climbers. Example, grapevine, pea and money plant. These are example for climbers. Next, creepers. Some plants grow and spread on the ground. These plants are called as creepers. The creepers are the different type of plant and these plants grow and spread on the ground. Examples for the creeper: watermelon, pumpkin and muskmelon. These are example for the creeper. Next, special plants. Some plants have colored leaves. Example, blood leaf plant and croton. Yes, in this picture you can observe these plants have colored leaves. Next, some plant pots have special smells. Example, tulsi and mint. Tulsi and mint plant pots have special smells. Thank you, students.